Ayan na yung eyelashes natin. We're going to an event today, and to complete my makeup look, I'm going to use the Magnetic Eyelashes by Emlen Diary. I got the Sunflower. I chose to use magnetic eyelashes for that event because every time I use mascara, nag-i-smudge siya dito sa baba. Ayan yung eyelashes. Okay. Ganyan siya. Kahaba. Yan yung Sunflower. To apply that one first, i-curl muna natin yung eyelashes natin. I'm curling my eyelashes. And yung kabila din. After natin i-curl naman yung eyelashes natin, gagamitan ko naman siya ng Eyelashes Styling Essence na kasama nung eyelashes. The reason why maglalagay tayo ng ganito is para mas kumapit yung eyelashes and mas magtagal siya dun sa pagkakakabit. After that, patutuyuin lang natin siya 30 seconds to 1 minute. After 30 seconds to 1 minute, pagtuyo na yung eyelashes natin, pwede na natin ilagay yung false eyelashes natin. The right one first. Madali lang siyang ihiwalay. Pwede nyo siyang i-slide pa ganun. Or yung ginagawa ko is, ganyan. Pinaghihiwalay ko yung sa dulo niya. Ganun. Okay? So, dito is, pag nakita niyo yung dalawang white doon, yan yung nasa down. May applicator din pala ito. This is the applicator and meron namin siyang up and down para mas madaling ma-distinguish kung saan lalagay yung mga eyelashes. And as I have said a while back, yung dalawang may white sa may magnet part is yung down and yung isa naman nakasama niya or kakonect niya is yung sa up. Just make sure na may i-align niya ng maayos yung magnet ng eyelashes dun sa magnet ng applicator para mas madali niyong mailagay yung false eyelashes. This is a closer look kung paano siya ilagay. And yes, madali siyang ilagay, but pag first time mo, it's not really easy. You need to take a lot of practice. Ayan na yung eyelashes natin. I-check naman natin next is kung kakapit ba siya ng matagal. Many hours yung event law. Hanggang gabi siya, no? So, right now, it's already 12 o'clock. So, tignan natin kung from 12 noon hanggang gabi is tatagal to without reapplying it. This was around 6:30 p.m. and as you can see, holding on pa rin ng ating Emlen Diary False Eyelashes. No need pa naman to reapply and that was around 6 hours and 30 minutes na since we applied it. Let's see kung mag-hold on pa siya for the next hours. Now, this is around 8:40 p.m. Almost done na yung event. Mag-after party pa and holding on pa rin naman yung false eyelashes. So, we're back in our hotel room and it's almost 2 a.m. As you can see, hindi pa rin siya natatanggal and hindi ko siya kinailangang i-reapply. Yan, ang dami ng pinagdaanan. Nag-after party kami, sobrang init pa dun sa event or dun sa place ng after party. Kasi yung bar ng Marriott Tang Singapore is al fresco. So, pinagpawisan ako, ang oily ng face ko, ang hangin pa doon. Pero, tingnan nyo naman, nandiyan pa rin siya. Hindi pa rin siya gumigive up. If you want to order, you can check out the yellow basket here. May ibang design siya. Madami kayong pagpipilian. So, just check out the yellow basket.